Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to know your Roblox password. So first I'm going to click more on the Roblox app, and then I'm going to scroll down, head to settings. After that I'm going to go to account info over here. Now in your account info there is the password section, but there is no option to view your password. If you click here, it will help you to edit your password, but you need to know the current password. So to know the password, you might have saved the password in your current device while opening your account. So I have opened my account with my iPhone. So I'm going to go home page, and then I'm going to open the passwords application. In your case, if you have opened from a web browser, you can check your web browser's passwords, and if you have opened from an Android, then you can go to your Google account passwords, and then you'll be able to find your Roblox passwords. So I'm going to search here, and I'm going to type down Roblox. As you can see, my Roblox password is right over here, and if I click on my password right over here, then I will be able to view my password. So guys, that is how you can know your Roblox password. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.